guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majoni. If you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I will be trying out this exfoliating foot mask that I got from Saving Home. It's in MOMBASA NYALI Center for 400 Kenya shillings. That is $4. And yeah, I want to try this out and I cannot wait to see the results. At the back here it has some instructions of how you can go about doing the exfoliating foot mask. It has steps, the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'm going to read it out and then I'll let you guys know what the process is, but I've read it already and I have seen that you need to make sure that your feet are clean, and my feet it's time. It has been 90 minutes and it's time to take these things off my feet. What I experienced with this is that after 30 minutes you get to have like a main sensation on your feet, and yeah, that's all I can say about this. So I'm going to wash my feet and remove this and keep you guys updated on the progress of how this journey will be. What I'm actually doing here is just moisturizing my feet after I gave it a really good wash, and this is what the feet look like. 4 days later, today is 2nd of August, I realized there's some peeling going on under my feet after I had my evening shower. So it's day 6 and things are actually happening. I'm from my shower and this is what my feet look like. My feet are looking like they don't belong to me, like they are not part of my body. The peeling is outrageous. Oh my god. This is disgusting. I'm just going to peel all this off because I don't see myself really going to bed with this. As you can see, this is still peeling from the inside. I'm not going to touch it, but the ones like this, I'm definitely taking it off. I just applied Vaseline and you cannot believe this is the leg that I just showed you some few seconds ago. My feet are still peeling, as you can see. The bottom basically has peeled off. The remaining part is around the perimeter of my feet that is now beginning the journey to peel. This is the side and this is the bottom. The bottom has clearly finished peeling off. Remember that mark that was right here? It's no longer there, it's gone. I just gave my feet a little bath. I soaked it into Epsom salt. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. So I use, this is the Epsom salt that I use to give my feet a bath, and my feet are so soft. I haven't applied anything on my feet. All the calluses that were peeling off are pretty much gone. None is left at all, as you can see. So guys, I will let you admire my feet. I know the feeling, it's so soft like a baby's bum. That is it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Always remember to work hard, stay humble and be disciplined. See you on my next one. Bye.